All right, this is Olga, and we are going to teach you how to wrap glassware properly before packing it. Show us what you do here, Olga. So we're going to start in the corner, and you are going to loosely wrap this for your first layer. Bring that back to the corner again, and wrap it one more time for that extra layer of protection. She is setting that over to the side, and we're going to do that just a couple more times. Again, just loosely wrapping one, and loosely wrapping again. There we go. One more time. You see how she's setting them over here to the side so we have those prepared to go into our box. All right.